If you've been injured on the job, no matter how insignificant you think your injury may be, you should report it to your supervisor right away. Many times an injury does not seem bad when it happens, but over the next few days or weeks it can become more severe. Failure to immediately report an injury is a common reason why workers' compensation claims are denied by an employer's workers' compensation insurance carrier. Most accident reports ask you to include the kind of injury you have suffered, the circumstances behind the accident, the parties involved, when and where the incident occurred, and any medical treatment you may have already received for the injury. When you report the injury, you should also request medical treatment if you think it is necessary. What if you're responsible for the on-the-job accident? It doesn't matter so long as you did not intentionally injure yourself or were injured because you were intoxicated. Workers' compensation is a no-fault system. As long as personal misconduct did not in any way lead to your accident, you can submit a workers' compensation claim. Under Pennsylvania state law, you have 120 days after a workplace accident to report your injury. However, if you do not report the injury within 30 days of when it occurred, you will not be entitled to benefits until the date that you do report it. You also have 3 years from the date your injury occurred to file a petition with the Bureau of Workers' Compensation if your claim is denied. If your job causes or materially contributes to any injury, illness, or disease, you may be entitled to benefits. There does not have to be an accident, and your job doesn't have to be the sole cause of your injury. This can include aggravation of preexisting health problems, repetitive use injuries, occupational illnesses, hearing loss, stress-related injuries, and stress resulting from physical injuries on the job. You cannot file a lawsuit against your employer for an on-the-job injury. However, if someone outside of your employer is responsible for your injury, you may be able to file a lawsuit against that other party. A workplace-related injury can quickly become a complicated situation. An experienced workers' compensation lawyer can look at your case and help you understand which injuries will be eligible for benefits. If you have any more questions, contact KBG Injury Law today.